How to fix Samsung Galaxy A36 fast charging not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on battery and then click on your charging settings. Now here you can see the option fast charging. Now here you can turn on your fast charging. After turn on your fast charging, then check your charger works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update a new one charger. After that, go back and click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.